seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más allá.
What's up guys, and Happy New Year. It's 2020, it's a new decade, and this might be the first video going up. And yeah, right now I'm going to Canary Wharf, and that's how you say it. And I'm going to meet a friend that I made during my work at Primark, and he's amazing at photography. I'll show you, I'll put his Instagram thing here. This is a fabulous place. So nice. The amount of times I've lived in London and I haven't been here once is surprising. Like talked about before, how I'm meeting my friend. Here's Ranak.
What's up? Peace.
I'll put his Instagram down below and all that. You wanna describe what you do and all that?
Just a street photographer with an ambitious dream. That's it. Let's get some photos.
He's amazing at photos. We'll show you the behind the scenes and everything, and how he edits it. This is an extraordinary scene for you guys to be watching. It is captured 1 in 10 years. A wild seagull eating a fish. Enjoy your meal. There's Ranak. Look at him. He's got the camera. We're gonna try get me standing here and a shot from somewhere there. And there he is taking one of the photos across the bridge.
Alright, face the ball and then, yeah, as much movement as you can from both hands and legs, okay?
Yeah.
Go. Dude, I think you got it. You're right in the middle, if only it's not blurry. Yeah, yes. Dude! We can try that again? Because your legs, it's alright, it's not bad. It's not bad. That looks fucking sick.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
that leg, try to pull it no more back than that. But the hands is perfect. That is fucking good. Same thing, yeah? Yeah, if it'll open, that'll be sick as well. But the color is so sick with the building, red and blue. Alright, go. I think I got it, yeah.
I don't think I'm sure.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I'll try to put this body with those arms. Wait, if I found the same angle, yeah, dude, I'll fix that. That is fucking good. You can try it here, it's recording.
That's it.
Wait, do how you want.
Guys, if you want to see this quality, Can't even focus it. Guys, if you want to see this type of quality, hit the subscribe button. Look at that. Hit the subscribe button. Look at that. Hit the subscribe button, comment, and do whatever you like. And go show some love to both our Instagrams. It's just a plug session today. We don't only have a photographer. He's a pianist. Pianist.
I can't play piano for sure.
He's there as well. Look at him play there.
See, I'm so professional.
He's amazing at it.
So after 437 pictures taken at Canary Wharf, I have finalized the final 10 pictures, and we are going to start from the ones that I thought were okay to the one I thought was the best. 437 photos, and Ronak managed to edit most of them, and hopefully I got the ones he edited, but the pictures taken were pretty good.
Quiero perder el ritmo y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad y más allá. Solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, solo un trueno.
So that's my sum up of the 10 photos we took. Go follow my Instagram, it's down below. Go like those photos when I post them. Follow Ronak's Instagram too, because without him this video wouldn't have been possible. And thank you for watching. And if you see right there, I don't know if you can get a focus of it or not. Hold on. Oh, you can't even read it. If we hit 200 subscribers, 200, I get ear piercing. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment. I mean, you can't comment because of 2 people. They know who they are. We'll see you in another video.